Alright, so I just got my screen in from laptopscreen.com. Came in really quick actually. Ordered it just a few days ago, got the basic shipping, and it came in within like 2 or 3 days. I was really happy and surprised at that. First you want to take the battery out, so you don't shock yourself or anything. So I'm going to go ahead and replace the screen here. This is a Dell N5110 model. And if you go on their website, it's really easy to navigate, and just put in the model of your computer and it'll bring up the screen that you need. So first you're going to go ahead and take the bezel off your computer, which is really simple. It's just pry it back with your fingers. Obviously do it carefully, but it'll click right off. Once you hear it pop, that means it's done. And on the corners, it's better if you pull it from both sides. And you just do that all the way around until it's all the way off. While I'm doing this, I'll talk about laptop screens, I guess. I bought their screen and it was, I think, $70, but it came with a 3-year warranty, which you can't find that anywhere else. Whenever I was looking at people to replace my screen for me, they wanted to do it for almost $200, which is insane, especially how simple this is to do. So I decided to do it myself. If I can get this last piece off. Get it. There we go. Alright, so now that's off. Set that to the side. And now it's really simple. You just need a screwdriver, which I set somewhere. And the best way to get it off is I would loosen these bottom ones a little bit so you can get to the screw over here on the side. You don't have to take these all the way out, just loosen them. So that's loose, and then you can get to this. I'll go ahead and take this top part out too. So far I loosened the bottom ones, and then the top one I'm going to take all the way out. I'm going to put them in my screw holder right there. So I'll take the top two all the way out. Don't lose these screws because they're really tiny. And then now, since I've done that, you can pull it apart a little bit, and then you can take the side screws out. And then the bottom one, since I loosened the bottom of this, you can get around the piece of cord right there easier. Same with this side. And then the screen for the camera right here, you just kind of want to hold that because it's going to be taped to it or stuck to it. Oh wait, forgot one screw. Then you pull it down, And there's the clip. You pull the piece of tape back. Can you grab me some paper towels? Like 3 of them? Once you pull the tape back, you can unplug the pin. Very carefully, obviously. And my old screen is off. Now I take this one out of the package. Just going to set paper towels down to make sure it doesn't scratch anything. Undo the tape stuff. Okay. And then you slide the pin in. Very carefully again, make sure it clicks all the way in. Put the tape back down. Stick it in the holder. Make sure you pull this tape off before you get it all the way in there. And there's my new screen. Now you just reassemble everything, and then you're done. Really extremely simple. Hope y'all can do it as easily as I did. And thank you, Laptop Screen, for getting my screen here so quick. And that's it. Do it? Yeah, you can stop it.